In this video, I'll show you how to set up Cursor AI Editor. First, open the Cursor website and download the version for your operating system. Next, install Cursor and launch the application. Now sign in with your Cursor account or create a new account if you don't have one. After that, choose the setup options that match your preferences, such as your keyboard shortcuts, theme, and preferred editor settings. Next, open an existing coding project or select Open Folder to create a new workspace. Now, open the Cursor settings and review the AI options, including the models and features available with your account. After that, open a source code file and start typing to use Cursor's AI autocomplete. You can press Tab to accept a suggestion or continue typing to ignore it. Next, open Cursor Chat or Agent and ask a simple question about your project, such as explaining a function or helping you fix an error. Now, review the response and try asking Cursor to make a small change to your code. After that, run your project and test the changes before keeping them. Finally, explore the settings and customize Cursor as you become more familiar with the editor. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Cursor AI Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.